chemical components when purchasing your makeup products. So the fourth myth is that I can do makeup with fake products and get away with it. So this is actually closely related to the third one. So some people just feel like, well, I can just use fake provided that I'm not going to carry it for the entire day, since it's just going to last for a while, then I'm going to wipe it off. Yes, this might actually serve you for the period or for the time being. However, on the long run, you'll come to actually regret your actions. You do not do makeup with fake products and get away with it. The importance of using original products when doing makeup cannot be overemphasized. I actually have a recent video on my channel on how to differentiate between a fake and original product. You might want to check that out too. So, in summary, you do not do makeup with fake products and get away with it. It might seem like it's not reacting now, but eventually your skin will not be happy with you. The fifth myth is that makeup products do not expire. Actually, I used to be a member of this school of thought up until a few years back. I found out that makeup products actually expire. So I think what causes this is that most times we don't tend to avert our minds to the fact that yes, whatever has a starting off date has an expiry date. So makeup products usually comes with a shelf life duration. So when you're purchasing a makeup product, you might want to check the expiry date or the shelf life duration. So this is actually closely related to the reaction myth and that of using fake products, because expired products actually react on the skin and fake products also react on the skin. The final point, most people believe that high-end products are actually better than drugstore. So this is like my personal opinion, so feel free to disagree. I actually feel like the answer to this is subjective, so it's dependent on the artist's level of artistry and technique. So I feel like for high-end products, what you're purchasing is the brand and not necessarily the product itself, because you can see some drugstore products doing better, even better or at the same level as high-end products. So it does not really depend on the fact that yes, this product is purchased at $60 is better than a product that was purchased for $5. Do you get? So it depends on your level of work, your technique, and then you can be able to get away with whatever you want. Actually, we cannot dispute the fact that yes, high-end products actually give some certain results that drugstore products might not be able to. However, that's why I say it is dependent on the artist level of artistry. When you have when the artist, that's the makeup artist, has reached a level that of perfection, then you can almost get away with whatsoever you want, whatsoever trick in makeup you want to do. So it does not matter if you're using a high-end product or a drugstore product, you certainly arrive at the same result. So there you have it. High-end products are not better than drugstore products. It just depends on your level of artistry. Do you get? We've come to the end of this video. So if you found this video quite educative, informative, helpful, or whatsoever it means to you, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. I'd like to hear your thoughts in the comments section. Don't forget to share and subscribe to my channel if you haven't, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.